Alrighty, so we have subtracting integers with models. This is part 2 of your flipped classroom. Please make sure you're writing down this information on the notes and finishing the entire activity. When you're done, please take a picture of your notes on Google Classroom. Let's start with method 2, number lines. Subtraction means to move left on the number line. So when you see subtraction in an expression, you want to move to the left. When you see the negative sign, that means to move the opposite direction on a number line. Let's look at our first example. -2 minus 3. As always on a number line, we want to start at 0. From 0, we want to move to our first number in our expression. So from 0, we go to -2. Our second step is to move to the left or the right the number of units indicated by the second number. Our second number is a +3, so we're subtracting a +3. So again, we go from 0 to -2, and from there we're going to subtract the +3, which means when we subtract, we move to the left. So we're going to move over to the left 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So we're going to land on -5. So we're going to draw another arrow from -2 that lands on -5. The answer is where you end up on the number line. Remember, we're moving 3 to the left, but ending on -5. Let's go to example 2. Example 2 will have us start at 0 and go to -4. But it says to subtract -2, which means subtract the opposite of 2. So instead of moving to the left, when we just use our subtraction sign, since we see a negative, that means to move to the opposite. So instead of moving left to the 2, we would actually move right 2. And we would end up on -2. So we draw another arrow from -4 to -2. And that is our answer. Alrighty. Example 3 is what I want you to do on your own. Remember, always start at 0 and move to the left or right according to the number. Remember, subtraction means move to the left. Go ahead and draw your number line, take a picture, and upload it on Google Classroom, and we will discuss next week. Have a great day.